Hello and welcome to Handy Lab. Friend, in this video we will see how to make a buttonhole wheel in hand embroidery. Buttonhole wheel is so simple, just take a look at the video. For the buttonhole wheel you need a circle. You maybe use a coin to make a circle on the cloth. Then draw few lines between them, then follow the instruction as shown in this video to make a buttonhole wheel. It is so simple, just take a look at the video. Please like this video and subscribe Handylab channel. If you are watching this video on YouTube, then follow us on Facebook, or if you are watching this video on Facebook, then follow us on YouTube as well. The link is available in the video description.